Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning background app refresh on or off on the Apple Watch Series 10. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Background app refresh allows apps to update their content even when they aren't being used. This is so that when you open the app, the content will immediately be up to date. Turning off background app refresh can help to preserve your watch's battery life. Note that if you have a watch face with app complications, these will still refresh in the background, even with the setting turned off. Press the digital crown to open the app menu. Tap the settings cog to open settings. Scroll down settings and select general. Scroll down the general settings and tap background app refresh. You can tap the toggle to turn background app refresh on or off. When the toggle is green, the setting is enabled, and when grey, it is disabled. When the setting is enabled, you can scroll down and turn off background app refresh for specific apps by turning off the toggles to the right of the apps. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple Watch tips and tricks.